I have here a camping lantern. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and then we're gonna test this out and see how well it works and how nice it is. Taking everything out, just like that. And then show you some more close-ups and explain how this works. So it was shipped with this cap off, and it had 4D batteries that were installed by the factory. So it powers, this is what powers the lantern, and it does come with those installed. If you need to change them or anything like that, it's really easy. This cap goes on and twists into place. So I have a soda pop bottle here so you can see just how big this lantern is. It's bigger than the soda pop bottle, and it's going to help it put off a lot of light because it's got such a big surface area for the light itself. So it also comes with this little handle that just folds out of the way, so you can carry it this way. And then the other way you can do it is you can turn it upside down, and then the bottom, it's got a little hook, so you can hang it on a tree branch or on a pop-up tent or anything like that and have it light that way. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, and you can see even in the daylight it's nice and bright. I'm gonna show you just how bright this is once it gets dark outside. So it's now dark outside, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on this lantern just so we can see how bright it is. So it is so bright, super bright. So this also has 4 different modes of brightness. This is the brightest setting. If you keep pushing the button, it'll get dimmer. So that's medium, that's low. And then this last one is the night light mode. So on this mode, the batteries will last for several days, which is a really nice feature. So I'm gonna demonstrate how well this works to hang it in a tree. This could also hang from the inside of your tent, but hanging up like that makes it light up this whole area so I can see all around me. So this camping lantern is super nice. The fact that it comes with the batteries installed is an extra bonus. And you can see just how bright this is. It makes it a really nice lantern to have while you're out and about camping. I'd recommend it to anybody that likes to go camping, especially at night, and you want to be able to see very clearly with a really nice lantern.